In this video, viewers will be introduced to the top 5 best portable laptop stands for desks. These stands are perfect for those working from home, traveling for business, or simply looking for a more comfortable way to use their laptop. The stands featured in this video are lightweight, easy to set up, and made with durable materials that will withstand the test of time. The video will showcase the top 5 stands currently available on the market, providing viewers with the information they need to make an informed decision about which stand is best for them. So sit back, relax, and join us as we take a closer look at the top portable laptop stands for desks. Number 5. Smart Devil Portable Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The Smart Devil Portable Laptop Stand for desk is a highly versatile and durable stand that is perfect for laptop users of all types. It is constructed with a sturdy and well-made design that is able to hold laptops securely in place. One of the standout features of this stand is its adjustable design. It allows users to adjust the height and angle of the stand to find the perfect position for their laptop, which helps to reduce strain on the neck and shoulders. Additionally, the stand is able to rotate 360 degrees, which allows users to easily switch between landscape and portrait modes as needed. Another great feature of this stand is its portability. It can be easily folded down into a small, compact size that makes it easy to take on the go. This is perfect for those who need to work on their laptop in different locations, such as in a coffee shop or on a plane. Overall, the Smart Devil Portable Laptop Stand for Desk is a high-quality product that is well-designed and built to last. It is highly recommended for anyone in need of a laptop stand for their desk. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand with integrated smartphone holder is a great product for those who are looking for a high-quality, adjustable, and portable laptop stand. The stand is made of high-quality materials and feels very sturdy when in use. The adjustability of the stand is a great feature as it allows users to find the perfect angle and height for their laptop, reducing strain on their neck and shoulders. The integrated smartphone holder is also a great feature as it allows users to keep their phone in a convenient location while working. One of the best things about this stand is its compact and portable design. It is easy to take with you on the go, making it perfect for those who work from different locations. The foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand with integrated smartphone holder is a great product for anyone looking for a high-quality, adjustable, and portable laptop stand that makes a significant difference in their work experience. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. New Lexy Comex Pro Adjustable Portable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The new Lexy Comex Pro Adjustable Laptop Stand is a practical and durable solution for those who need a portable laptop stand. The stand is constructed with high-quality materials, making it easy to assemble and disassemble, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. One of the stand's key features is its 360-degree rotating design that enables users to switch between portrait and landscape modes seamlessly. The stand also offers a wide range of height adjustments, making it comfortable for use at a desk or on a couch. The adjustable legs provide a stable base for laptops, preventing them from wobbling or sliding around. Additionally, the stand's non-slip rubber pads at the bottom provide an added layer of stability. Overall, the new Lexy Comex Pro Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great choice for anyone looking for a portable, adjustable laptop stand. It improves the work experience and is highly recommended. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. New Lexy S18 Telescopic 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The new Lexy S18 Telescopic Laptop Stand is a great option for those looking for a versatile and portable laptop stand. The stand is lightweight, making it easy to take on the go, and has a telescopic design that allows for easy adjustment to fit a variety of laptop sizes. The 360-degree rotating feature is also incredibly convenient, allowing users to switch between landscape and portrait modes with ease. The stand also has a non-slip surface, keeping laptops secure and in place. One of the things that users love most about this stand is its ergonomic design. It helps to reduce strain on the neck and shoulders, making it more comfortable to use a laptop for extended periods of time. Overall, the new Lexy S18 Telescopic Laptop Stand is highly recommended for anyone looking for a versatile, portable, and ergonomic laptop stand. It exceeds expectations, and many users are very satisfied with their purchase. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Lanicol lbmxg Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The Lanicol Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great investment for anyone who spends a lot of time using a laptop. The stand is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and is very sturdy and durable. It also has a sleek and modern look that blends well with office decor. The stand is easy to adjust and can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing users to find the perfect angle for their laptop. The multiple angles also make it easy to switch between sitting and standing positions, which is great for reducing strain on the neck and shoulders. The stand is also lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to take with you on the go. It can be used at work, home, and even when traveling, and it is a great addition to any laptop setup. Overall, the lbmxg adjustable laptop stand is a great investment for anyone who wants to improve their posture and reduce strain on their neck and shoulders. It is highly recommended. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. And that's a wrap on our video showcasing the top 5 best portable laptop stands for your desk. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect stand. Whether you're working from home, on the go, or just looking for a more comfortable way to use your laptop, these stands are a great option. We've highlighted the top 5 stands currently available on the market, so you can make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.